Spelling and sounds in English can be tricky. Sometimes words look the same, but they don't sound the same. Look at this example. Both words have the letter O in the middle, but listen to how they're pronounced. Now, no. In the first word, we hear the sound ow, now. And in the second word, we hear o, no. Ow, ow, ow. Can you see the mouth moving? The mouth starts open wide and closes at the end. O, O, O. What about now? Can you see the mouth is smaller at the beginning? You practice. Ow, O, now, no. These sounds are in other words too, even if they have different spellings. Look at this activity. Some words have the ow sound and others have the o sound. Practice saying them. You need to colour in the words with an ow sound, like now. At the end, you will see a picture. Have a go. How did you get on? Let's have a look at the answers. House, grow, down, no, out, window, flower, hour, now, go, shout, cloud, toe, town, clown, pillow, found, power, how, yellow, shower, tomato, owl, wrote, sound, slow, show, count, own, tomorrow, low, photo, brown, follow, soap, loud, phone, ground, boat, mango, nose, mouse, cow, goat, mountain, hello, alone, round, hour, home. What picture can you see? That's right, it's a flower. That also has the ow sound.